In this video, we shall discuss about the basic properties of electric charge. We know that there are two kinds of charges, one is positive, another one is negative. And we also know that same charges repel each other and the opposite charges attract each other. And the effects of positive and negative charges tend to cancel each other. If a body possesses positive and negative charge of same value, then the body will not have the property of either the positive charge or the property of the negative charge, because positive and negative charges tend to cancel the effect of each other. Why do we treat charges as point charges? The sizes of the charged bodies are very small as compared to the distance between them. So we treat them as point charges. All the charge content of the body is assumed to be concentrated at one point in space. What is additivity of charges? Additivity of charge is a property by virtue of which total charge of a system is obtained by simply adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system. If a system contains n charges q1, q2, q3 up to qn, then the total charge of the system is q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus qn. The total charge of a system containing 5 charges plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4 and minus 5 in some arbitrary unit is plus 1 plus 2 plus minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 1 in the same arbitrary unit. There are similarities and dissimilarities between mass and charge. What are the similarities? Both mass and charge are properties of matter. Both mass and charge obey inverse square law of interaction. Both mass and charge are scalar quantities. The dissimilarities between electric charge and mass. Number 1, electric charge may be positive or negative, whereas there is only one kind of mass. There is no positive mass and a negative mass. Number 2, charge is strictly conserved, whereas mass is not conserved. Number 3, magnitude of charge is independent of velocity, whereas the magnitude of mass depends upon its velocity. Number 4, charge is quantized, mass is not quantized. Number 5, force between charges can be attractive or repulsive, whereas the force between masses is always attractive. The mass is not conserved in chemical reactions. Mass is therefore never conserved because a little of it turns into energy, or a little energy turns into mass in every reaction. But mass plus energy is always conserved. What is quantization of charge? Quantization of charge implies that charge can assume only discrete values. This is to say, the observed value of charge q of a particle will be integral multiple of 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. That is, q is equal to n into e, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Both positive and negative integers. The charge cannot assume any value between the integers. What is charge is conserved how? Let you assume two objects, object A and object B, and let the object A have 6 number of protons and 6 number of electrons. Object B also is having 6 number of protons and 6 number of electrons. By the process of rubbing each other, the object A loses electrons, the object B gains electrons, by which the object A becomes a positively charged one and the object B becomes a negatively charged one. Here, the conservation of charges. The charges can neither be created nor destroyed. By the process of rubbing, 3 electrons have been transferred from object A to object B. That is why the object B has become a negatively charged one, and the object A, by the process of losing electrons, has become a positively charged one. But count the total number of electrons and protons. The total number of protons will be 12 and the total number of electrons will also be 12. This is the conservation of charges. Charges can neither be created nor destroyed. The quantization of charge was first suggested by the experimental laws of electrolysis discovered by English experimentalist Faraday. It was experimentally demonstrated by Millikan in 1912. In the international system of units, a unit of charge is called coulomb and is denoted by symbol C. We know the charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. When charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, the number of electron is equal to 1. When charge is 1 coulomb, the number of electrons is equal to 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 is equal to 10 to the power of 19 divided by 1.6 is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons.